today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your Wix site's shipping and delivery settings from the dashboard and check your localized selling zones for missing destination rules. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. Once you're inside your site's dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct website if you manage more than one. This is important because shipping settings are tied to each individual site, and making changes in the wrong dashboard can create confusion later. From the main dashboard view, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Wix keeps most of your store and site configuration tools. Scroll down through the list until you find Settings. Go ahead and open that section, and then choose Shipping and Delivery. This area controls how your products can be shipped, where you're willing to sell, and what delivery options are available to customers in different regions. Once you're in shipping and delivery, focus on your active selling zones. These zones define the geographic areas where your store can accept orders and apply shipping rules. Take your time reviewing each active localized zone carefully. The goal here is to confirm that the regions you want to serve are actually included and that nothing important has been left out. As you inspect each zone, pay close attention to the regional address destination rules connected to it. These rules determine whether customers in certain countries, states, provinces, or other areas can complete checkout with shipping available. If a location is missing, customers from that destination may not be able to place an order, or they may see limited delivery options. That's why this review is so important. Check for omissions, inconsistencies, or gaps between your intended service areas and the destinations currently listed. If something seems off, compare the zone setup with the areas your business is supposed to support. Even a small omission can affect sales, especially for stores serving multiple local markets or international regions. As a helpful tip, move slowly and review names of regions carefully, since similarly named locations can sometimes be easy to overlook. It's also a good idea to verify that your active zones reflect your current business operations, especially if you recently expanded, changed fulfillment methods, or updated your store catalog. Once you've finished reviewing your active localized selling zones and their address destination rules, you'll have a clearer picture of whether your shipping setup is complete and aligned with your store's sales coverage. This simple check can help prevent missed orders and create a smoother checkout experience for your customers.